Thought it was good. Survivor's remorse. Yeah. Talk to you real quick. It's been a minute. Yeah, I done lost so many brothers, I be feeling fucking cursed. Lay down at night, still blood on my shirt. If you don't feel my pain, I can't make this shit worse. You wanna go on a date, I'm feeling I want alert. Brody got it dirty, I'm looking to do some dirt. I call up my brother Dirt, he told me to put in work. Like yeah, I wanna win, but dawg, this shit hurt. My aunties still crying, these niggas, they need a hearse. And I'ma make sure.
I had to go to Levy Bay, but it was dry, literally. I'll put a picture in or something so you can see it, but it was crazy. And no way. So I'm here. I don't know, we're gonna go out here and see what we can get into. Last time I was here, couldn't really find any reds. Caught a whole bunch of dink trout. The reds were scarce. I think I caught one little baby. I don't know. I'm gonna go out here and see what it looks like. The tide's weird here. It's a negative tide, you know, but I guess because this place is so far back from the bay that it takes a while for it to drain out. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see when we get there. Got something. Trout. Yep. Bud. Trout. All right. Nice little guy. Deep right here, like a deep hole. Look at this monster. Monster. Well, don't know. I don't know if I should go back there. I kind of want to, but I think it's really shallow. There's nothing else going on, so. I can't even get in here. I don't think there's any fish in here. It's so shallow. was, you'd see him. Ooh. What was that? Oh, fucking duck. Oh, I got something. Something hit me. What the hell was that? What is that? Oh, got him. Red. Big red. Way back here, dude. That is crazy. Oh, man. Yeah, he's a good one. Oh, boy. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, he's a good one. Come on, please don't come off. Please, please don't come off, dude. Come on, please. Get your head up. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Please don't come off. Oh, he's under my boat. God. Come on, dude. Don't do that. Don't come off. Oh, don't come off. Please. Please don't come off. Come here, dude. Come here. Come here. Come here. I got him hooked pretty good. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's a monster. Oh, he's a monster. Come here, dude. No, 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 no. Yes, got him. Got him. Oh, man, what are you doing back here? What are you doing back here, bud? Oh. Oh, my gosh, he's a good one. What are you doing back here, buddy? Oh. This is the biggest red I've caught in a while. Oh, you tried to get off, didn't you? Oh, he tried. Got him on the Ned. The Ned. The Ned strikes again. Oh. These lippers on him so you don't get away. Oh, my God. Look at this slob, dude, in inches. I mean, I'm barely floating. Look at that, dude. Oh, my God. I'm about to see how big he is. Oh. Man, he's not like super crazy big, but to be way back here, dude, that's pretty crazy. $27.5. 27.5. 27 and a half. Oh, he almost got off too. All right, one more look at him. It's a big boy. Look at that big boy. Oh my God. Thank you, bub. Thank you, buddy. Oh, he's almost got a heart on his tail too. Just a fat slob. Way back here, dude. That is so crazy. All right, I'm gonna try to get him. I know he fought hard, so you might need a minute. There you go, bud. Come on. Come on. There he goes. There he goes. He's ready. He's ready. He's ready. Come on. He's in the mud. There he goes. What a beast. Oh man, I don't know what made me come back here. I've never been back to this creek before. Something just said, go back there and mess and poke around and see. Oh man, I'm glad I did. Wow. What a monster, dude. What a monster. You look, there's no water. I'm in the deepest part. Look, everything's dry. Everything is dry. I'm sorry, I got my camera on this pole. Look, man, I'm in the deepest part that you can possibly be in. That's where he was. That's so crazy. Oh, all right. I think I'm pretty much at the end. Probably nothing else back here, but oh man, that was sick. Wow. All right, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably turn around and go back because I'm pretty much at the end. So shallow. Still can't believe that big red was way back there. Oh my God, so crazy, dude. Oh, there's something right there. Oh yeah. What was that? I don't know where it went. That was a red, I believe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh my gosh, you can't even hardly get out of here. A little deeper right here. Okay. Baby red. Oh, little baby again. I'm out of that creek. Back on the babies. Can't get away from them jokers. I think the tide's coming in. So, oh, I got another one. Oh man, it came off. So probably go back that way. I don't know. I'm worn out from that fish and from getting out of that damn creek, man. Wasn't no water in there. Another little baby. Just babies and babies. Where is your daddy? He's got some cool spots. He's gonna be cool when he gets big. I don't think anybody else is here. The whole place to myself. It's just me and the little babies. Ain't that cute? All the same size. It's like 3 casts and 3 reds. It must be stacked up down there. Same size. Got him. Another one. Man, he's got some cool spots too. Look at his spots. That is cool, man. You'll be a sick little red when you get big, boy. All right, I don't know how many more times I'm gonna play around with these guys. Crossing the creek. You see that? Man, that is crazy. What? Dude. That is wild. Man, that's cool. You never know what you're gonna see out here. Little guy. Little guy. Oh, slimy. Another one. Man, they're barely hitting it. He is real tiny. Wow. Slow down. All right, bud. Come on. Stop. Little baby. It was just born yesterday, I think. This is cool. Little tiny baby flounder. Whoa. Look at that. Look how little he is. My goodness. All right, Bubba. That was weird. Okay. Sorry I missed that one on camera, but Wasn't much of a fight. Just kind of sitting here. Oh God! What the? Oh, okay. Okay. Whoa, dude, you were fighting way harder than how you look. Holy crap. The hell? You got some muscles. You got some muscles, man. Another little tiny one. He hit that thing. He hit that pretty hard for how little he was. Jeez. What I was saying, I was just sitting here for a minute. No. I guess I'll probably start working back that way. Just trying to let the tide come in a little bit so I don't have to drag. Oh, it's shallow. There's something right there. It's probably a red. He's pushing. He's pushing off. That was probably a red, but I can't see. I can't see. That's a mullet or something. I think. That other one I'm pretty sure was a red. But as we found out earlier, that don't really mean shit. There's something, what is that? Mullet? I can't even use my trolling motor. It's just. Oh, there's something right there. I don't know what it is. Oh, I just spooked something else. Must have been mullet. There's something else right there. little too far in front of them. Spooky though. I'm being real quiet and they're still spooked. So I don't know, but I saw them with my own eyes. 2 of them. I don't know, one went that way and the other one went this way. All right, I just pushed all the way back. And I ain't really seen nothing else. My battery died, so I had to change my battery, but I ain't seen nothing else. So I'll probably just push out of this creek and then probably just start heading back. Pretty shallow, but I did see those 2 reds in this area up here, so I might try to throw around here for a second and see. See if they're hanging around still. It's very shallow though. It's hard to not spook them because it's so shallow. And they weren't huge, but man, still be cool to catch them back here. Looks like something right there, maybe. Can't reach them. Oh, I got hit. Yep, red. Got him. Got him. That's a red for sure. 100%. They're still hanging out. Yep, that's him. That's him. Yep, that's him. Come here, Bubba. Decent one too. I mean, he ain't small. Not huge like the 27, but he's in the 20s. Pretty cool. Almost damn sight casted him almost. Man, he's fighting. Good luck, dude. Come here, bud. No. He's under my boat. Fuck. Oh, God, he's under the fucking... Where is he? Come on. Oh, he's gonna break me. Oh, he's gonna break me off. Come here, bud. Oh, gosh. Get in here. Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! What a fight, huh? Yeah, like I said, he's decent. I mean, it's a decent one. To be back here, I'm way back in the creek and skinny water. It's crazy. Got him on the nib, baby. These things are amazing. Let's see what he goes. Yeah, what I said, 20, yeah, 21 and a quarter. Pretty good one, you know, decent to be way back here. And I spooked them, like I said, when I came around, there was 2 of them. I spooked them. And when I was coming back this way, that's why I said, let me see if he's still around. But yeah, it's pretty sick, man. There you go, buddy. All right, yep. All right. That's pretty sick, man. Pretty sick day. Pretty sick day. All right. Probably gonna start heading back, man. If I get anything else or see anything else, I'll come back out of that creek. I'm headed back to the truck now. But it was pretty sick day. Pretty sick. Both of the good reds, way back in the creeks, and that much water. You know, it was a pretty good day, man. Caught a lot of little stuff, but those 2 fish made up for it. It's pretty sick. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to. I don't think I'm gonna fish this weekend because it's supposed to rain. So I don't know, man. Hopefully the footage came out good and y'all like that. It's pretty sick, man. That one was 27 and a half. That was my PB. My old PB was 27. So I beat it by a ½ inch, but that was a good one, man. I'm just gonna beeline it back to the truck. I'm not gonna fish around here anymore. I'm tired. Couldn't use my trolling motor all day. It's so shallow out there, so I had to just paddle around and pole around, so I'm tired from that. But yeah, it was pretty worth it, man. Pretty sick. See y'all on the next one.